A variable is like a container in the computer's memory that allows us to store a value. We store that value with an assignment statement. The complete assignment statement consists of a name, equal sign, and a value we plan to store. Here are some of the rules for naming a variable. Variables can include letters. Variables can include an underscore. Variables can include numbers, but variables cannot start with a number. Also, variables cannot contain spaces or special characters. Let's go to Python and create a module. Right-click, Python project, new Python file. A Python file is called a module, and the purpose is to organize our Python code. The convention for modules and variables are the same. It contains all lowercase letters. The name will be name underscore create underscore variables. Then enter. A good variable name is descriptive, so it should describe the value. Our first variable is name. The variables are case sensitive, so age with a capital E is different from age with a lowercase e. There are two ways to write a variable that has more than one word. Some people use camel case by writing a lowercase letter like is, followed by a capital letter for every subsequent word like male. This variable has two words called is male. The second way is separating all words with an underscore like full underscore name. I use both ways, but most of the times I use an underscore to separate the words. Personally, I believe an underscore improves readability. Another word to write for a variable is a constant, and constants have all capital letters like Pi. That's an indicator that the constant has a value that will not change. We also separate constants with an underscore if it has two words. I like math. Math was my favorite subject. Pi is a constant that has a value equal to 3.14. The equal sign is an assignment operator, and 3.14 is the value. A variable is initialized when a value is stored in it the first time. Let's create some variables like full name equal to Rex Allen Jones II. Is male equal to true with a capital T. Age equal to 34, and name equal to Rex. Did you notice how the quotes for name and full name are different? Name is located inside single quotes, and full name is located inside double quotes. Either way is okay. Let's print the values. Print name. Print age. Print is male. Print full name. And print Pi. Let's hover print. And the description says prints the values to a string. In other words, the value will show up in the console. Let's run. Yes. The console shows each value for name, age, is male, full name, and Pi. Name shows Rex. Age is 34. Is male, true. Full name, Rex Allen Jones II, and Pi is 3.14. If you want to, you can combine the variables. For example, age can be combined to 34 by separating it with a comma after the variable name, age. And the value get placed after the value with the comma, and we put 34. Now, let's change the previous value to 43. If I print, do you have any idea what value will show up for age? Will it be 34 or 43? Let's run. The value that showed up for age is 43. 43 is the value because it was initialized to 34, but assigned a new value of 43. This is what we call overwriting the variable. The old value is gone and forgotten. That's it for naming and creating variables. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.
All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.